pull this occiput up. Good, excellent. Really stiff on extension. Degeneration down at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6, 6, 7 degeneration. And that's what feeds right in. So the neck brachial plexus has got to feed into the parascapular muscles. So now let's check it out on the left side. Go ahead and pull the left arm up and hold. So pretty weak there. Try this one. This is one that really hurts. His scapula doesn't move much at all. And hold. And that's just really weak, okay? All right, so let's go face down. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna adjust that area so we can get a good nurse supply and adjust the shoulder, and we'll see if we can get the power back in there, okay? And we'll talk about some mobilization exercises for the shoulder. Okay, so definitely has a little more kyphosis right there. That's really good. So that's really beautiful, excellent. Yeah, a little rock in there, huh?
Yeah.
So, let me get on this side. Turn your head to this side. Good, and face down. Let's lay your back. So I'm going to see. Good, excellent. That's what feeds right down into that area. We're going to do a little, his head likes to shift to the side, so we're going to pull his occiput up. Perfect. Good. Now I want you to bring your arm open this way, both sides. Squeeze the back of the shoulder blades together. A little tender there, huh? So the pec minor gets really tight right through there. So we're just pushing that head of the humerus back, releasing that. Now let's have you sit up and face away from me. Get a little more motion into the scapula. Let's bring your arm up this way. And this. Good. Now, let's bring your arm up and up here, hold. Don't let me push down, okay? Hold. And try this one. And hold. Feel different? Yeah, quite a bit different, right? So the power is going on. So we adjusted the area great right through here, so we got a good nerve supply into the shoulders. We had to open up the shoulders and adjust the shoulders a little bit, and mobilize the scapula and the thoracic spine, because thoracic spine, when that's really stiff, the shoulder won't move very well, your neck won't move very well, so we got that all moving nice, so your body's more in balance. It's more in balance. Now we're going to give you some exercise to work on to where it'll start rehabbing that area and get back to normal, okay? All right, good. All right, power's on.